Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on filter keywords on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon. Now click on these three lines, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now you will find comments, click on it, and here as you see you will find filter keywords. Just click like this, and you can also add the keywords. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.